Starsky&Hutch 21st Century Environment Explorers are here. The city in the heart of nature. Well, let's have a look. Well, the hospital is just down there, so people know where it is. Okay, we've got this rubbish down here first to start off with. Now the city is built around this huge rock here, but I'll have a look and show you. Now, any Starsky&Hutch video wouldn't be right without any McDonald's crap in it, so there's a bit of McDonald's rubbish for you. Like I say, now you start to see the plastic in the bushes. Here, it's up there. It's in here too, look, there's bottles, stuff here. It's in there, people just put it in the bushes. Now the reason I'm making this video is because someone just went past me and put a plastic bottle on a ledge and then just walked away. I wish I had my camera out so I could have filmed it to show you. And that was it. And this person was about 22, 24 years of age. Just didn't think twice about it. Just puts it there because it's convenient for him. I'm really not too sure what that is. Doesn't look good, does it? More do better, I think. Yeah. Plastic bag. What's that, Stas? More plastic? Yeah. So. What's that, Stas? Another bottle of plastic you found there? What do you reckon to that one, eh? What's that? What's that, Stas? What is it? Do you want to take it or not? You want to take that one? Okay, we'll take that one then. Come on then, take it to the bin with us. That's a good boy, Stas. You drop it there so the people can see it's by the bin. Maybe they'll put it in instead of leaving it on the road. One of the reasons I wanted to make this video is to show you that this plastic is absolutely everywhere. There's rubbish here and here, down here, but like I say, kids sooner or later are going to believe plastic grows on trees. Just want to show you this. So there's all rubbish down here. It's all in this bush is just here. That's rubbish. But look at all that bush there. All the rubbish it's got in it. Plastic there, there. It's over there. It's down there. It's over there. It's over there too. You've got a bloody cat stuck in the bloody tree. Look at it. Yeah, it's all down here too. That's why I'll say it's absolutely everywhere. Look, this tree here. Branch just there. I'm sure I'm not the only person who noticed this. Or maybe I am. Beer cans just placed there. All rubbish down here. 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 Look at it. All plastic in the trees, the bushes there. It's up here. All this down here, look. Cans of Coca-Cola and stuff. It's all here. Remember what I showed you at the beginning of the video? That the city's in the heart of nature. Change that to heart of the rubbish dump. It's all here, it's all down there, it's all here. Yeah, all that rubbish down there. All here. Plastic hanging from a fence. This is what I want to show you as well. Just walking around. Cigarettes, orange. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cans, bottles. Just jumped in. It's in there as well. Bottles over there. More cans behind the bushes there. This is meant to be, an entrance into the city where it shows you the heart of nature. More rubbish over there. Here. Here. Over here. There's rubbish dumped in the flowers there. It's over there too. It's here. Here. It's all stuff over there, cans and stuff. All plastic and bottles there. That's how they want you to see it. All cans and rubbish, bottles over there too. More rubbish down there. Now you won't be able to see, but all this down here has got rubbish in it. Trust me. I'll show you what I can see on the camera that's there. It's over there. There. So rubbish in there too, if you can just see it. You walk along and you see it all. It's just bottles in there. Starsky. Chocolate toothpaste carton there, plastic there. So there's stuff in there, you're just like looking. You know, end it there, just goes to show you there's rubbish everywhere, so you can even see it from here over there. It's all along there. You see it's all here, everywhere. And if you go over there, you'll see it's all over there. It's all over there too.